Saint Francis Xavier touched the lives of many during his missionary journeys, and he still continues to do so. Here are some of our friends sharing their testimonies.
I am Rohini Dias. I am from Ponda, staying in Sanstevo. I am working here for around this 5 years, 6 years here, and before that also I was working. I had a good experience. This Saint Francis Xavier is a surprise to me all the time. It's a surprise and pleasant surprise he is. Always I will think how it is a miraculously he is there. He is not moving, but he is there with us as a friend, and we can talk to him, we can quarrel with him. I felt like that every time. Whenever I am going in front of him, I used to feel that he is speaking to me always. Whenever I am worrying, don't worry, Rohini, he will say. When I am angry, he'll say, hey, don't be angry always. That will be very bad for your health. Like that, I feel always very close to me. And when I fall in front of him one day, that time also I was angry with him and I am quarreling with him. He is telling it is your mistake, not my mistake, like that. So in such a way, he is always a surprise friend he is to me. I am not watching him as some other thing or miraculous thing. So in such a way, he is very close to me always. And he keeps me very close to Jesus. Through his remaining here, he teaches me a lot. So in such a way I felt. So that through him I am also close to Jesus. So the both of them working is a great thing for me. I always satisfied working for both of them, their service. And also whenever I am getting pain, I used to think, Father says me, you give offer your pains to the redemption of the souls. So I used to say, Lord Jesus and Saint Francis Xavier, my friend, I tie this pain and send it to your feet for the redemption of the souls. Like that I used to pray always. That time I am feeling also relaxed like. And the other things, religious wise, they taught me a lot. Whenever I am angry with people, they used to say me, don't be angry, be calm, like that. And then many things they teaches me, though they are not speaking worldly, but eternally they speak to me. So this is always a pleasant surprise and a religious satisfaction to me. Thank you, everybody.
Now, St. Francis Xavier is very dear to us, all Goans no doubt, but he's also very dear to me, for I have served in two parishes of St. Francis Xavier. One, St. Francis Xavier Church, Duler, and the other, St. Francis Xavier Church, Makazana. And I've also been to the place where he was born, where he lived as a young boy in Spain, and I have got many dear memories of St. Francis Xavier. The one that strikes me the most is when he was here in Goa or on his missions, his mother saw a whipping cross. The cross that is in the image of the whipping image of Jesus was weeping one day, and that was something special to her. But that there was a smile on the whipping cross. It's not just the image weeping, but the smile. And she said something must have happened. But those days there were no emails or fast communication. So a letter was signed to him and reached many months later. And on that day it was written, Saint Francis had died. So that was a sort of a sign given to his mother, who was a very devout lady, that God is with her. And St. Francis Xavier is with us always. Even in the pandemic, through the intercession of St. Francis Xavier, we have prayed and God has taken care of us. So this is just one incident that I would like to tell, but I'm really happy that I could celebrate Mass with my brother priest here and with all the people of Goa. And it's always joy to be in Old Goa, especially at the tomb of St. Francis Xavier.